What number, like what one?
23.
Sure, 20.
Oh, 23, we did this last year in pre-calculus, and you might have forgotten it. Okay, we did. Alright, so you're given the function f of x equals 2x plus 1 over x plus 3, and you're asked to find f inverse and then verify that the composite gives you x back. Okay, so we talked about that to find f inverse, I do a colon here because this isn't technically what f inverse equals, but just so you understand that's where I'm going now. We pretend this is a y equals, right? Not pretend, it is. And we reverse the x's and y's. So instead of y equals, I get x equals, what do I have on top? 2y plus 1 over y plus 3. Now our goal here is to group the y's together and solve for y. So I'm going to multiply through both sides by y plus 3. Are we all okay with that? So I'm going to multiply here by y plus 3 and here by y plus 3. Cancels, cancels. So xy plus 3x, and over here I get 2y plus 1. Once again, if I want to solve for y's, I need to gather all the y terms together. So you have a couple options. You can move the 2y over to the left side, or you can move the xy over to the right side. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to move the xy over to this side, which means it's going to be minus xy, correct? I'm going to also move the 1 over to this side, which means it's going to be what? 3x minus 1. Alright, so over here, 3x minus 1 equals 2y minus xy. Okay, here's the trick. Factor out a y on both terms. So pull a y out to the front. What's left? Now, how can you get y alone? Yeah. So the inverse is 3x minus 1 over 2 minus x. Snazzy, huh? Now, the composite, yikes. Oh, I'm going to say, can you remind me, because I want them to be in class for this. The composite, meaning because you were also asked to confirm when you put it in. I'm going to show you what it looks like to plug in, but the algebra part, let's save till tomorrow. And you guys got to remind me, okay? So if I was doing f of f negative 1x, what that means is I would take this entire function and put it in for x in both spots. So I'd have 2 times, you can't see that, can you? 2 times x, but in place of x I'd put this like whole thing. Okay. 2x plus 1 over x plus 3 on the bottom, so I'd do like that. Well, that's good. Okay, so here's what I'm going to tell you. It's kind of cool, actually. It involves finding common denominators and adding across, but it's going to take a while. Hold on. There you go. Okay. Tomorrow is what? Wednesday? 10th? 17. Okay.